Morning. I foolishly thought that I could go buy a school bus and then the next day go to work just like normal. Yeah, that's not how this works. So today I'm going to go to the DMV and see if I can get my bus assessed and then titled and registered and legal. In Arkansas, schools do not have to title school buses. So so the bus doesn't actually have a title. It's got some paperwork from the school district, and it's got some paperwork from the manufacturer that it's supposed to get me in the door. So that is the plan for today. When I wake up. All right, we are now headed to the revenue office to see those revenuers. Nothing's ever easy. Apparently, when the fellow that bought this bus originally from the school district bought it, he needs to have titled it in his name before he can sell it to me. Unless he's a dealer, which I don't think he's a dealer. Which makes this easy bus buy that I've had so far become somewhat more complicated. I'm going to contact the seller and see what we can work out, figure out. This is not what I wanted. Well, the fellow that sold me the bus has gone to the revenue office in his locality and has applied for his title. When he receives that in the mail, then he will forward that to me, and then I can go get my title. Happy ending, look at that. Live and learn. Let's peel some stickers off a bus. Let's do that. Last two rivets on this panel. Finally. About 4 more of those to go.